Hey, bro.
Oh, hey bro.
What are you doing?
I'm swinging?
Oh, I thought you were in Wellington.
No, that was yesterday. Check out my video, but sorry about the audio.
Okay.
Hey, it's Mike from PAT, minus the cameraman. Just walked down to Wellington, the creative and cultural hub of New Zealand, the home of New Zealand politics, political protests, and a whole bunch of other stuff to check out the New Zealand Symphony Orchestra. And look at this, the Wellington Town Hall being refurbished just behind us. Let's go and find out what technology's going in there, eh? Alright, while we're here, I thought we'd pop up and see our friends at the New Zealand Symphony Orchestra in their staging facility. As you've seen outside, the Wellington Town Hall is going through a massive historic rebuild. Very impressive. We're looking forward to the moving in. And we thought we'd show you the difference between the LAWO MC² 56 and very soon I'll show you the 96 console. This one here, 16 fader console, goes right up to 144 faders. It's got a bunch of free controls, faders, the ability to custom configure multifunction keys. But have a look at this. Have a look at this, the 96. Look at this, 72 faders of yeehaw. Read-write buttons on the faders. The ability to configure more multifunction keys, and then all of these amazing free controls at the top. It's more ergonomic, particularly in the live music space or for pre-recording. Time code control with the automation panel that we've got fitted into this baby here. And then this guy, look at this, the RTW TM9. Loudness metering, immersive. If you're getting into the immersive space, your Dolby, your 7.1.4, you need one of these guys in your console. That's pretty much the difference. The same functionality under the hood, the same software running them, more tactile free controls available at your fingertips as well. And we've come over to the IDS corner, the Densitron suite at the New Zealand Symphony Orchestra. These are the wonderful 10.1 inch TS touch panels from Densitron. We're showing a bunch of functionality here for the NZSO, the ability to control their cameras, the ability to switch and see what vision they've got throughout the Wellington Town Hall, but we've also integrated these with Ember Plus through to the LAWO ecosystem as well. Talkback control for them. These goosies straight into the ear of the conductor. It's an integrated solution. It's pretty cool. You've got to check it out.
That was really cool, dude. I think we need to get you some decent microphones for your phone, eh?
Yeah, sorry about that. We'll sort it out.
What's next?
Trampoline. Now I'm going to jump on a plane on Monday, come and see you, spend some time with our customers and check out some cool tech. See you soon.
Awesome. See ya.